And let's get you this detailed report on the CBSE's announcement exactly about what the marking criteria will be for the current Class 10 and Class 12 batch. That's 2021-22. So there are now going to be two phases of exams. The first term of exams in November-December, the second in March-April, and the syllabus will be split into 50% each. Here are all the details that you need to know on the CBSE's announcement.
Continuing school closures, exam disruptions due to COVID-19. The deadly pandemic has pushed the Central Board of Secondary Education to come up with a new assessment scheme. The Central Board has divided the 2021-2022 academic year into two terms. 50% of the syllabus will be covered in the first term. A test will also be conducted. First term exams will be held between November and December over 4 to 8 weeks. The question paper will have multiple choice questions and the duration of the test will be 90 minutes. Marks of the term will contribute to the final overall score of students. The second term examination will be scheduled between March and April and the duration of this exam will be 2 hours. The question paper in term 2 will have different formats like long and short answers. In case the situation is not conducive for normal descriptive examination, a 90-minute exam based on multiple choice questions will be conducted at the end of term 2 as well. Marks of term 2 will also contribute to the final overall score. In case the COVID situation improves, the board would conduct term 1 and 2 examinations at centers. If the pandemic forces closure of schools during November and December 2021, term 1 exams would be online from home. In this event, the weightage of this exam would be reduced and term 2 exam weightage would be increased. If the pandemic forces closure of schools during March and April of 2022, results would be based on term 1 exams and internal assessments. Weightage of term 1 marks would then increase. If the pandemic forces complete closure of schools in term 1 and in term 2, then the results would be computed on the basis of internal assessments, project work, and term 1 and 2 online exams. The CBSE decision comes after the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic forced cancellations of year-end board examinations. Bureau Report, India Today.